night market อันนี้ตลาดชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่อไทยตลาดนัดรถไฟตลาดนัดรถไฟเทนไนท์มาร์เก็ต
Train night market so this is the best night market in Bangkok and what do you have here ชื่ออะไรภาษาไทยชื่ออะไรครับ
ภาษาไทยก็
bandana
แย่แบนนั่นนะ
bandana Okay how many years have you been here
What happened
you ที่นี่
Oh yeah
กี่ปีแล้ว
14 year
14
yeah 14 year
She wants some bandana
yeah banana
ไม่เป็นไร Okay
Okay you
just one no you just one by one Okay by
แย่กว่าพอดูโมเวลี่มากอ๋อเอามัน180ก็180 160 160 บาท
โอเค500
ไม่ช่วยผมเลยนะ
no
โอเค160
200ใช่ไหม
200
โอเค Oh I like that one too
โอเค
200แล้วก็
customer เยอะ
one more customer เยอะแบบนี้มีผู้หญิงกับมึงตัว same
เนี่ย Tiger
Say one more
yeah
Okay You're gonna roll for me
okay this medium size 15 บาท medium size yeah medium size this area the medium size ชื่อนี่เชง10 บาท
ครับ
one bag ใส่ถุงนะ
โอเคครับแล้วก็ผู้หญิง like this one
อ๋อโอเค
ใช่ไซส์ใหญ่ใช่ไหม
ไซส์ใหญ่
โอเค
อันใหญ่โลเลย
โอเคครับโอ้สวย Okay สวัสดีครับ So I just met this guy and คุณชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่อแจ็คครับ My name is Jack
His name is Jack and he has cool tattoos so I stopped to talk to him because he has Can you show your tattoo Show your tattoo
เด็กชูสักเยอะเนี่ย
This way แบบนี้
อันนี้เป็นลายแบบไทยลายไทย
Wow That's so cool And it's
Thailand
It's a Sakyan tattoo and ทำไมSakyan มี
แถวบ้านเป็นวัฒนธรรมชอบเป็นวัฒนธรรมของคนไทยฮะชอบแบบว่าเหมือนแบบคล้ายๆปลุกฝันกำลังใจสมัยก่อนเราก็เลยทำตามวิถีคนไทยอย่างเงี้ย
โอเคเราก็ที่นี่ตลาด
นัดรถไฟครับตลาดนัดรถไฟ
อยู่กรุงเทพ
ครับ
มีตลาดเยอะ ทำไมไปที่นี่ครับ
ผมขายของที่นี่เลย ผมขายของอยู่ที่นี่ไง
ของ
ขายพวกเสื้อ
ใหญ่ๆ
ขายเสื้อขาย
Oh, this one?
Ah.
Oh, it's yours? Oh, okay, okay,
อยู่
okay.
ข้างใน
okay. No, this one? A different
ข้างใน
one.
ข้างใน
Surai. What did he sell?
ขายหลายอย่าง ขายหลายอย่าง เสื้อผ้าแฟชั่น เสื้อผ้ากีฬา เสื้อผ้ากันหนาว 3 ล้าน
Okay, you want to show us? We go? Buy Mike? You want to go?
ได้ครับ
Okay, okay.
เดี๋ยวดอกไม้เลยดีนะครับ
Okay.
ขายดีครับป๋า
ครับไปเยอะ
ขอบคุณครับ
This for good luck. Good. Chok di.
ใช่
Chok di.
อันนี้ขอพรโชคดี
Khobon chok
ข
di.
อพรให้ขายดี
Okay.
ขายดี
Di. Non yok. Time.
ครับ
Yeah. Okay. So this is Jack's store, and he has sports shirts. And Unite. Okay.
K32
K Samsung. So you can find the places. There's a map here. K32, and you can find all your sportswear here from Jack. All right. And คุณชอบกีฬาฟุตบอลใช่ไหม
ใช่ครับบาสก็มีบาสบอลเป็นกีฬาสปอร์ตรวมๆ
กีฬาสปอร์ต
รวมๆ
ทุกอย่าง
ทุกอย่าง
Okay, so there's all kinds of sports jerseys. Come find Jack.
ตลาด
Okay,
นัด
thank
รถ
you,
ไฟ
thank you, thank you,
ค
Jack.
รับครับครับ
I'm Sarah, and
I'm Lennox.
and we're at the Bangkok train market,
The night, yeah,
the night market, and we just got sakyans done today.
like literally an hour ago.
There we go. Okay, now the review. Can you show the yard?
You go.
You go first.
Well, mine's open. Yeah,
Do you want to hold this?
I ripped some of it off accidentally.
Like this. How do I even do it? Just like
Wait. Wait. Can you do this one?
nah, it doesn't hurt, but it's just hard to.
Sorry, I've hoped it. Sorry.
They're pretty full on, huh? Yeah.
Your whole life.
Well, I mean, I got a very small one, but it's not really.
The camera shows it.
This is the only tattoo that I've ever gotten,
That's the one you got.
and then now I have a full back tat. Pretty crazy, huh?
Why did you get the serpent?
Well, the serpent I just really like the look of, but the actual charm I, obviously did to my personal story. But yeah, no, the water serpents just look really cool, so that's why I got them.
That's cool. That's Hayanak. Yeah, so in Buddhism and everything, you see there's the temple of the giant snake, right? It's called Hayanak, Naga.
Naga, yeah, the Naga dragons.
Yeah, that's cool, man. All right, thank you guys. That was 2 minutes, so that was perfect.
Awesome, dude.
Okay. You have anything else you want to say? Why did you get yours?
I got mine, so it was a blessing for mostly inner strength, mental strength and physical, just because of, experiences in my life and also what I do, like I box as well, so she recommended physical strength.
Boxer?
Yeah. Not Thai.
You have all your teeth?
Yeah, so far still.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, thanks a lot, guys. And so strength and protective boxing. Good.
Yeah.
All right, enjoy the market. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah. We're from Kazakhstan and Russia. Yes. Post-Soviet territories.
And what do you think about the trade market?
This is our first time on the market. It's pretty great so far. I mean, there's a lot of stuff to see. I'm sure we could spend a few hours here, and we would only barely scratch the surface. This guy has been before last year.
Oh, it's so amazing! It's so amazing here. So I come back and I wanna taste everything I can.
Yeah, we just had dinner already, but we specifically saved some space to come here, like, and explore the food. Yeah.
Okay, and you've been here before?
Me, only me. Yeah.
Okay, so so tell us, step back a little bit. I can't see you, step back. Okay, so out of all the markets in Bangkok, why did you bring your friends here?
It's close to our house, so
Very convenient.
that's why. But we also have a Chatuchak market. I've never been there, so I want to try it. And I've heard it's also nice there.
Okay.
You okay?
It smells nice in here, but a little bit spicy.
Yeah, and then do you know why there's an airplane here?
In here?
Yeah, there's an airplane.
Is it in
Like a
here?
decommissioned airplane. No.
Real full airplane.
Yeah.
Is it in here?
But I mean, I'm assuming it's decommissioned, like it's not flying. Yeah. But where is it?
I don't know. I haven't
Oh, right. Okay. We gotta look out for it.
somewhere on the side.
Yeah.
Really? I thought it's on Chatuchak market or in another one. I think they have an airplane in every market in here.
Maybe it's just
Maybe.
it's a thing. It's a Thai thing.
Oh yeah.
Sawadee krab. ซองได้ไหมซองชีสครับกินเจครับไม่กินไม่เอาชีสเท่าไหร่ครับ75โอเคครับ Here we have baked potatoes with cheese and bacon bits if you're into that. I got mine vegetarian just with cheese. Amazing. Thank you for watching this far. I wanted to talk a little bit about speaking Thai. So I try to speak Thai. It's still broken, but I'm learning every day. And one of the things that helps me is an app called the Ling app. I've got a link in the description where you can get a discount. It's, I think, maybe 40% off now if you use my link. And it's totally worth it. I learned Thai with the Ling app. You can also learn many other languages, like 60 languages, I think. And I try to do 2 lessons a day, and that's about 20 minutes of language study.